In fact, this question has been taken as it is from one of the previous year's CSAT examination. Nowadays, in many competitive exams, they are giving this type of questions either at preliminary level or a mains level. Okay, right. Now let's start the question here, and you can do this question within a minute's time. That's it, not more than that one. Let's start this one. I'll tell you how to go for this. They have given A, B, C, D, E, 5 members of a family. Simple information. Then there are 2 fathers, 2 sons, 2 wives, 3 males and 2 females. Now you see, students, here a tricky sentence is given. 2 fathers should be there, 2 sons should be there, 2 wives should be there, 3 male should be there, 2 female should be there out of the given 5. Is it possible to go in that way? See, students, if you do not know how to draw the family chart, I can say it is not so easy to solve this type of questions. Even if you are able to solve without family chart also, it takes ample of time. You have to spend much time on that one. In nowadays examinations, that much time is not there and you are not allowed to take that much time. Yes or no? For that reason, learning of how to draw the family chart is need of the hour here. See, students, already I have discussed how to draw the family chart or family tree in our basic classes in our regular course. If anybody is interested, you can join the course. Not only this chapter, but all other chapters I have discussed from the basic level to moderate to advanced to very advanced level. So here I cannot explain a complete basics of how to draw the family chart, but I'll give you in a nutshell. See, students, in many books you can find how to draw the family chart. Many ways you can do that one. Generally in the books or in outside many places they say to draw double lines, single lines, diagonal lines, brackets, arrows and all these things. No need of all these things. Simply I have suggested my own method to our students. Simple 3 golden rules I have given. The first one is you have to identify how many persons are there and how many male are there, how many female are there. Denote male with plus, female with the minus. That is the first rule. Second rule, if only one generation is there, always connect the people with horizontal line, only one line, right? No need to go for a diagonal or brackets or double lines, arrows, nothing is required. Only one generation, connect people with horizontal line on the chart. If more than one generation is there, you need to connect the people with the vertical line. That is second rule, simple one, right? While connecting the people or drawing the diagram or reading that one, always read from left to right. And when it is more than one generation, top to bottom, you make it as a habit, so that any difficulty level question can be solved from this chapter with the help of blood relations, family tree or family chart. For further information, you can refer our basic classes how to draw. Now let's start this one, students. Here I am taking that information with the help of the family chart. What's that one? 2 fathers, 2 sons, 2 wives, 3 males and 2 females. At a time it will come. How is that? Just visualize this one. See, I'm drawing in this way. There are 2 fathers should be there. How to go for 2 fathers? Simple, student. Suppose you take in this way. This is one person. Okay, this person is a father of 2 generations, vertical line, top to bottom. Father of this person. He is also male. I got one father here. Again, this person is father of this person. He is also male. Now see how many conditions are fulfilled here. Here, these 2 are fathers. Then these 2 are sons. Yes or no, right? This person is father of this person. This person is father of this person. And this person is son of the above one, that person. This person is son of this person. So I got 2 fathers and 2 sons, 3 males also fulfilled, and remaining 2% should be female. Alright, how that should be? So here this person can be husband of this lady, female. Now this person can be husband of this lady. So this is female. As simple as this one. Now you see, students, all the conditions are fulfilled or not. 2 fathers, 2 sons, 2 wives, 3 males and 2 females. Everything is fulfilled here. Yes or no? If you know how to draw the family chart, it will become cakewalk for you. After that, taking this information and keeping it on the chart on the appropriate places is not a big issue. Now within seconds you can do the work. But students, is it the only possibility or any other thing is there? We'll discuss that one. Instead of keeping these two ladies here, one lady can be here, other lady can be here. One more possibility is there. Otherwise, keep one lady here and other lady in the third generation. Even that is also possible. We will discuss those two other possibilities also. But listen to this one carefully. After that, we go for the other possibility, because generally students, my teaching methodology is you have to take all the possibilities into consideration. Either you keep it on the paper or keep it in your mind in the form of visualization, so that every possibility should be taken. Only then you can maintain 100% accuracy. After accuracy, anyway you will get the speed. Okay, right. Now let's start this one. I'm going to first condition I have fulfilled here. Next, you see here, E is, before that one, the teacher was the wife of a lawyer who was the son of a doctor. How to keep this information? Now already 80% of the question is done here itself. Now they have given the teacher was wife of a lawyer. That means teacher is a female. How many female places are there? These two places. But they have given the condition that teacher was wife of a lawyer who is, that means lawyer is a son of the doctor they have given. That means if you keep teacher here, between these two places any one place should be chosen. If you keep teacher here, teacher should be wife of lawyer, this person should be lawyer. But this lawyer should be son of the doctor, but I don't have any other generation above this one. For that reason, keeping teacher here is not possible. Now only one place left out for teacher is this one. This person must be teacher. There is no other way. And this teacher should be wife of the lawyer. He is the lawyer. And this lawyer is a son of the doctor. Now here students, I taught this question some thousands of times to lakhs of students I have taught for quite a long time. Generally what happens students here, when they have given lawyer is son of the doctor, 80% of the students keep this person as a doctor blindly without considering this person. Actually these two are wife and husbands, and this lawyer is a son of these two persons. These two persons are parents of lawyer here, and lawyer is husband of this lady, and this person is son of these two. That's the meaning of the diagram. Now when lawyer, they say teacher is wife of the lawyer and the lawyer is son of the doctor, means blindly students keep doctor here only. They won't consider this place. Yes or no? You tell me without any hypocrisy. Many students must have done in this way. If you have not done that in this way, and if you think that between these two persons anyone is doctor, you are going in the right way for any competitive exam. You got the idea? Instead of keeping doctor blindly here, if you think between these two persons, one person must be doctor. If you think in that way, you are going in the right way for competitive exams. Got the idea? Right. Now, between these two persons, anyone is doctor. I don't know that one. Keep it aside. Doctor can be this person or even this person. Now go for the next information students. How they have given E is not a male. Not a male means E is a female, right? E is not a male, neither also a wife of a professional. What's the meaning of that sentence? E is not a male, neither also wife of a professional. That means E is a female and E's husband is not a professional. That is what they have given. E's husband should not be in a profession. That is the meaning of that. Now you see students, already two ladies are there, two female places are there, right? You can keep E here or here, but clearly they have given that E's husband is not a professional. Already this person is professional. Lawyer is a professional. So already this person is a professional. He is in a profession. So I cannot keep E here. Now only one place left out for E is this one. This must be given to E. There is no other way. Now, is husband should not be a professional. That means I cannot keep a doctor for this person. Then where shall I keep the doctor here? Here, the doctor must be, who is the doctor? E herself is the doctor. She is the doctor. Now you got the idea, students? How many of you have done in this way? If you are doing in this way, certainly you can crack any competitive exam very, very soon. Now you got the idea, right? I started here, teacher, wife of a lawyer, who is son of doctor. Between these two, anyone is doctor. E is a female, either here or here, but her husband is not a professional. For that reason, I cannot keep E here because already lawyer is a professional. He is in a profession. So only place for E is this one. After placing E here, E's husband should not be a professional. This person should not be in any profession. That means doctor must be E herself. E herself is the doctor. Is it clear for you? In this way you have to do the question. So frankly tell me, students, if you do not know how to draw the family chart, is it possible for you to solve this question within the stipulated time? Of course no. Of course no. That's the reason why from the beginning I tell all the students, you just take training from experts so that you can save ample of time in your preparation. Alright, now go for the next information here. What's the next one? Next one is C. Who is not engaged in any profession is the youngest person in the family. Now, as far as this chart is concerned, now you tell me, students, who is the youngest person in the family? So actually in that examination, they have not given any other clue. Suppose wife and husband are there. Logically speaking, between wife and husband, who should be younger and who should be elder? Generally, husband is older than wife. We will go with that assumption. Generally in reasoning, you should not go with that assumption, right? You should not say that every time husband is older than wife. Sometimes wife can be older than husband also, like Sachin Tendulkar's pair in our country. Yes or no, right? But deliberately I have not included that sentence. I have taken how they have given in CSAT examination. Now for this question, we will take in this way, husband is older than wife. We will take that assumption. Okay, now here, who is the youngest one? He is the eldest one. His wife, then his son, then the son's wife, daughter-in-law, then this person. So this person is the youngest person in the family. Now here, C is the youngest person in the family, and he does not belong to any profession. He is not a professional. Okay, then finally they have given D is the eldest, B is a male. That's the reason why I explained you this one. D is the eldest. Let us take always husband is older than wife. We will go with that assumption. Now here, D is the eldest. D is the eldest means this person is, as far as this chart is concerned, is the eldest person. I am taking D here. And they have given B is a male. Now you see, students, here two persons are remaining, one male and one female. Alright, plus means male, minus is female. First rule of blood relations as far as my method is concerned. Now here, students, here B is a male means it must be B. And who is the left out person here? D, E, B, C are over. A is left out. This should be given to A now. This is how exactly you need to finish the question. All of you got the idea? And one more time I am telling you, students, I am reiterating that one. If you know how to draw the family chart, this is cake's walk for you. Easily you can solve the question. If you do not know how to draw the family chart, it takes some time and you have to invest that much time in the examination. That is unnecessarily wastage of time. Not only here, students, not only here, but for many questions which are connected to puzzle test, blood relation and puzzle test, blood relation, puzzle and seating arrangement. In all these cases, if you go by the family chart, you can do any question and every question very easily. Alright, now we will go for the other possibility. Actually, this is right one in the exam, you have to do like this. But you should get one doubt. What is that one, sir? Why did you take both the females here and here? Why can't you go in the other way? Let's examine that one also. How to examine this one? I'm taking in this way. First, we will keep this one aside. This is the final solution for the question. Okay, I'm just keeping it aside. Right, we will keep it aside here. Right. Now we will go for the next possibility. What's the next possibility? The same thing here. 2 fathers, 2 sons, 2 wives, 3 males, 2 females. That is possible only in this way. Just now we have done this one. This is one person. This person is father of this person, male. This person is father of this person. So automatically 2 fathers and 2 sons, 3 males condition over. Then after that 2 female. Instead of taking these 2 places, I'll take in this way. This person is husband of this lady minus, and this person is husband of this lady minus. Right. Now let's try the question. Am I able to go for other conditions satisfied or fulfilled with this arrangement? Even this also, if you know how to draw the family chart, only then you are able to do this. Alright, now take the next condition, students here. Teacher was wife of the lawyer, and who is son of the doctor. Where shall I keep teacher? Teacher is female. Either here or here. 2 places are there. Right, again 2 possibilities in this one. I am not going to draw that one. Simply visualize that. First, I keep teacher here. After that, we'll go here. Suppose, what if you keep teacher here? Teacher, wife of the lawyer, who is the son of the doctor. This is doctor. As simple as this one. Alright, then after that they have given E is not a male, neither wife of a professional. Where will you keep E now? E is not a male. That means E is a female, and she is not the wife of a professional. Only one place left out for E is this one. But if you keep E here, students, next condition will not be fulfilled. What is the next condition? C, who is not engaged in any profession, is the youngest person in the family. As far as this is concerned, just now we have discussed who is the youngest person in the family? This person. Right? Already this place is occupied by E. So I cannot take that one. For that reason, taking teacher here, that too, keeping one female here and here, it is not possible. Now I am keeping teacher here. Alright, if you keep teacher here, students, you need not draw one more diagram. Here only I will explain you. This is teacher. This teacher. Right, teacher was wife of the lawyer. In this case, this is lawyer. I am not taking this one. Okay, and this lawyer is son of the doctor. Where shall I keep doctor? I told you in the first arrangement itself, doctor can be here or here. 2 places are there. Yes or no? Now this is teacher, this is lawyer, and you take E also from here. Now it is clear. So this is teacher, this is lawyer, doctor can be here or here. This condition is fulfilled. Go for the next information here. E is not a male. Already we have read. E is a female, not the wife of a professional. Now where can you keep E now? E is a female. Female means between these 2 places. Okay, but E is not the wife of a professional. So same condition, how we have taken the first one. I cannot keep E here because E's husband will become lawyer. Now only place for E is this one. I can keep E here. And she is not the wife of the professional means E can be the doctor, as it is, how we have done in the first one. But the next condition, you see, what is that? C, who is not engaged in any profession, is the youngest person in the family. That means where shall I keep C here? In this one only. Now this will become C. This is C. But students, clearly they have given C is the youngest person up to that extent, okay, but he is not engaged in any profession, but this person is already teacher. For that reason, I cannot keep C here. This is violating, this condition is violated. Got the idea? For that reason, I cannot keep teacher here or here in this arrangement. All of you got the idea, right? You have to think in this way. Now, keep this arrangement also aside. I am keeping this aside. And let us think, is there any other possibility? I am keeping this one here. Over. Okay, next possibility. What is the next possibility here? Quickly we will go for this one. Simple one, same way. One person, father, one more person. This is for your understanding, I am explaining this. Father. What's the next one? This person can be husband of this lady, female. Now this person can be husband of this lady, female. Now you take only these three possibilities are possible here. Now again start the question here. Teacher, wife of a lawyer, who is son of doctor. So there is no other way. I cannot keep teacher here because no other generation. If this must be teacher, this is the lawyer, and this is the doctor. As simple as this one. Up to this extent it is okay. Again the same problem, students. Need not go for that E is not a male. Now it is not required. You take this condition C. Who is not engaged in any profession is the youngest person in the family. Youngest person is this one. C should come here. Okay, we are going with that assumption that between these two, this person is the youngest one, because husband is always older than wife. I am going with that assumption. Generally, they should have given in the question, at least in the brackets, that you have to take always husband's age is more than that of wife's, because every time we can't say that husband is always older than wife. Where is that rule? That rule is not there. Sometimes wife can be older than, elder to husband also, just like Sachin Tendulkar, I told you. Alright, so anyway students, I am going by that assumption here. C is the youngest one in the family. C should be here, but already it is assigned to one profession. But they have given C is not engaged in any profession. For that reason, even this is also wrong. This arrangement is wrong. All of you got the clarity? Right, I am just keeping this one aside. This arrangement is wrong, and we will go for this arrangement. This is right. This is the final arrangement for you. Right. So this is the final arrangement. Take this one. Right. So one person here, here. These two are female. All the conditions are fulfilled, and this one, just make a note of this. How simple question, students, this one. Most of the students are not able to visualize these two possibilities. They may stop here itself. So in the examination for this question, of course this is the right one. Even if you are not going for these two also, that doesn't matter. But every time it is not like that. You have to go a little in depth. Always remember this one. So on the whole, what I would like to tell you, if you know how to draw the family chart, this type of questions are cakes walk for you. First learn that one, after that do this type of question. See students, in our courses, not only this chapter, this is a small chapter, blood relations is small, blood relations, direction, sequence and ranking, coding, decoding, alphabet problems, these are all small chapters. Even for these small chapters also, I taught in such a way that you never forget in your life. For every chapter there is a technique. Puzzle test, that's a good chapter. Seating arrangement, Shilloism, I taught Shilloism almost for like 10 to 12 hours. So that from the basic level you can learn the concept. Any new model, any new pattern, whatever it may be. Nowadays they are giving only a few concepts. I taught that one, only concept I taught 20 years ago. 20 years ago there was no only concept, but still I taught that one, because you have to learn all the things there. And many questions when they have given 22 years ago, again those questions are getting repeated in many competitive exams. Chapter like puzzle, seating arrangement, Shilloism I told you just now, data sufficiency, input output, assumptions, arguments, conclusions, courses of action, cause and effect, inferences, all these chapters must be learned from the basic level, so that you can play with the questions. Not only reasoning, even in quant also, all the chapters, you should come to that stage where examiner should be afraid of you. You have to learn the concept in that way. Learn in that way, practice unconditionally. Why don't you get the success? Definitely you are going to get the success. So all my students practice in that way, only with confidence. You just refer any of my students, they'll tell you how we teach. Anyway, why I'm telling all these things about our institute, my intention is that every student should be logically fit. I wish you all the best, students, and I'll meet you in the next session with some other questions, so that all the students learn something from us. Like all these classes are free classes for you. If you are interested, you please join the course and try to learn from the basic to very advanced level. Thank you very much, students.